which emerging technology do you think is seriously being underestimated in terms of its long-term impact? Thank you.
Whew. Okay, what emergent technology is being seriously underestimated? Wow. Okay, I obviously can't say AI because it's hard to argue. Well, it could be underestimated.
It could be underestimated.
It could be underestimated, but probably not emergent at this point. We couldn't use that one. I mean, a lot of people do wonder about quantum computing, what it will bring. It's probably not what I would hang my hat on to answer that question, although I'm definitely support sort of our efforts in quantum computing and so forth. But there are many unknowns. I mean, technically speaking, we don't even know if P is not equal to NP. Like on the computation front, there's just so many unanswered questions. And the quantum algorithms are specific for very particular structured problems. That said, I'm a big proponent. But it's hard to put my finger on that. I mean, perhaps the applications of both AI and for that matter, quantum computing to material science, because what could we do with different kinds of materials that are better in a whole host of ways? I mean, kind of the sky's the limit.
I was thinking of materials as well, actually, but partly because a lot of the underestimated is sort of interesting. There's so much attention right now on like what are the opportunities for technological innovation. So many technologies that aren't there yet, like fusion energy or quantum, they probably, it'd be hard to say that people are missing them and not paying any attention to them right now. And AI, but I think materials would be, in my mind, would be one of them, and probably some of the opportunities in biology and health, of which there are many in molecular science. It's probably getting less attention than AI right now, but there's also a huge revolution in molecular science.
Yeah, I was going to say exactly the same thing. I kind of watched the spotlight move around, and the spotlight is very large on AI right now, but it was shining on biology, and it shouldn't stop shining on it. There's all kinds of things going on in synthetic biology, very exciting things. So I think we need to broaden that spotlight a little bit.